Got a specific corner of the online world you're excited about? You think you found your online business niche, but now comes the critical question: is your niche profitable? Don't skip this vital step. Building a business in a non-profitable niche is a fast track to frustration. This video gives you quick, actionable ways to check niche profitability so you can move forward with confidence. If you need to know how to check niche profitability efficiently, this is for you. Let's dive into assessing if your potential profitable online niche has the financial legs to stand on. Identifying an online business niche you're passionate about is important, but passion alone doesn't guarantee income. True online business niche profitability comes from meeting a market need that people are willing and able to pay to solve. Doing a thorough niche profitability check before you invest heavily is non-negotiable. It's about getting a realistic picture of the market potential for your online business niche. Here are some quick ways to check. Quick check 1. Assess search demand. Are people actively looking for solutions, products, or information related to your niche? Use free tools like Google Keyword Planner, Google Trends, or even just observe auto-suggest results in search engines and YouTube. Significant search volume indicates interest and potential demand. High search volume is a strong positive sign when asking, is your niche profitable? This is foundational niche market research. Online profitability analysis includes. Quick check 2. Look for existing competitors. This might sound counterintuitive, but finding other businesses already successfully selling in your niche is a good sign. It proves that money is already changing hands in this area. Analyze who they are, what they offer, and how they market themselves. If there are no competitors, it could mean no market exists. Seeing successful competitors helps answer, is this niche profitable, with a yes, provided you can find a unique angle. Quick check 3. Check for affiliate products and advertising. Are there companies running ads for keywords related to your niche? Are there affiliate programs available for products or services in this space? Companies wouldn't spend money on ads or commissions if they weren't making sales. The presence of advertising and affiliate offers is a strong indicator of a market with commercial activity, confirming potential niche profitability check. Quick check 4. Evaluate problem pain level. Is the problem your niche addresses a nice-to-have or a must-solve? People are far more likely to pay for solutions to painful, urgent, or significant problems, like health issues, financial struggles, or major inconveniences, than for minor annoyances. Niches solving high-pain problems are often among the most profitable online business ideas, niche-focused. Asking how much pain the problem causes helps assess online niche profitability. Quick check 5. Analyze audience willingness to pay. Look at the types of products and services being sold in the niche. Are there high-ticket items, subscription services, premium products? This suggests the audience is accustomed to spending money in this area. If everything is free or very low cost, the niche market might not be highly profitable. Observing competitor pricing helps validate niche profitability. Using these quick checks helps you move beyond assumption to get a data-informed view of your online business niche profitability. No single check is definitive, but together they provide strong evidence for is your niche profitable. This focused online business niche research saves you from investing in a dead end. Remember, a profitable online niche doesn't always mean massive competition. Sometimes a smaller, highly engaged niche with high willingness to pay is more profitable than a giant, low-converting market. So, before you fully commit to your idea, take the time to perform these quick checks. Understanding is your niche profitable is fundamental to building a successful online business niche. If these quick ways to check niche profitability help you evaluate your ideas, please give this video a like. Ready to do your own niche profitability check and find a truly profitable online niche? Subscribe for more essential strategies on online business niche validation and building profitable online business ideas. What niche are you planning to check? Let me know in the comments.